Hello and welcome back. My name is Sebastian. So let's dive into now the next command for our strings, and this is the position and the substring command. So easy to go. We will have shortly now a query here. So we select our category column. We do this from our table products. Let's run this, and there we have all our data. We will limit this now a little bit again, as we don't want to have you all. Limit 10. It's just easier, and really it is so when you have 1 million rows and you run something like this, it's inefficient. You will wait forever. So it would be even better when you start with creating a command or SQL, start with from a simple point. You select from and with a limit. And then from this you build up. It's every time better. Okay, so we run this, but we run this again. Okay, good. Now we want to first look on the position. Position, it's already clear. Position will show us where a certain string is in our string. I would say it like this, so it sounds a little bit complicated. So for instance, when we would search for an L somewhere, then it would give us the position. Let's try this. So we say now, select, still our category as it was original that we see also, then position. Then we have to say what we are searching for. So in this case, that we have also something which is a little bit good to see. We do here, I prepared it also, we do here this with the space. So we say the space we are searching for, and then we have to say where we search in category. Okay, so as, and this also as changed. Okay, so what we have now is we still would get the same output like here, but we have now a second column where we just give back the position of this searching here, and this is the space. Let's see. Okay, so the space is here in the 8th position, here in the 5th, here in the 6th, and for the cloud services we will check CLOUD 5, and the 6th one is the space. Easy. Okay, what we could do is we could also build this in a where clause. We could also do this that we are saying, okay, give me the position, but not in the category. We want to have it in product name. Product name. Let's see. Something else, because the product name is a little bit different. So this you can use also in other columns. So a simple use case for this would be, okay, we are searching, or we have names together in our database. So like John Doe. But we want to extract now 2 columns from it, first with the first name and the other one with the second name. With something like this, you could first search for this, and then you can build up something like a left or right function, and then you can give this back so that you have then in the end just a John and just a Doe. Okay, but when you would build this with a left or a right function, after a while it gets a little bit tricky and complicated, and that's why you could use also the substrings, and this we would do now. Okay, so a substring is that we are giving back a certain amount of string from true for free. So this is now an example. So let's see, as subs, for instance. So let's see what it gets actually. Okay. So the substring starts here now in our category data from 2, so the second position, 1, 2, it's an A in this case. For 3, this means for 1, 2, 3, so ACH. Next one, second position for 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, ATA. You could change this also to 10, just to 1. So with this you could easily find even a second letter in a string, or the 5th, or let's say I want to have the 10th. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 1, it's an E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 1, it's an N. Okay, so this is how you can use the substring. But it is more clarifying when you could use this also with the position. Yeah. So when you give something back where it's like I said, like this John Doe. So you would use then, instead of from as a number, you would use the position. And this is what we do. So let's try this. So category. Oh, wait, this didn't work so well here. From. Oh, it was actually correct. I was a little bit wrong here. And what it now does is, let's see, it's running. It gives back everything what comes after the space. Here we have it. Everything after the space. Business, space, intelligence. So with this you could easily extract your string and also manipulate it. You see, it's something cryptical here in the first place, but in the end, when you get a little bit more familiar with the stuff, it's then easy to use. And the most cases, like I said, is with names, with email addresses, or like we had here with categories, products, and so on. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you learned something. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon again. Thanks.